Hello friends, now we see about the Lightroom editing app. This is the photo editing app. Okay, this available in Play Stores. See, skip the button. Okay, sign up with in your what you want, Facebook or Google. Okay, I will go with the Google account. Let's take few seconds. Wait for it. Click to continue and see the all photos. See, try premium free for 7 days, but dismiss. Click dismiss. uh, Click allow button and add photos. I select this photo. Okay, add. It take few seconds. Okay, see, let's take the imported of 0 of 1 photos. Okay, take few minutes. See, the library contained all photos, people, deleted photos, new item. Okay, after importing the it's coming. Okay, now click the photo. Okay, loading. See, there are a lot of option is there. Okay, see one by one. Okay, see the star symbol only premium members. Okay, the healing, the geometry is a premium members only. Now see, first one is crop button. Okay, click the crop button means it will come like this, and click original means whatever you want. The custom 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 5 into 7. I select 8.5 into 11. Okay, click to okay. Next one is presets. Okay, there are a lot of option. We don't want the premium library. There are a lot of options there: nature, vivid, high contrast, light contrast. Okay, there are lot of option is there. Okay, so what you want, try it. And next one is auto mode is all are auto mode. All settings are going to auto section. And next one is light one. This is contain highlights, contrast, and whites, blacks, shadows. A lot of option is there. And again, one best thing is there are a lot of option is there. The curve one is mainly the white, red, green, and blue. Four colors of curve is there. See the curve. I select change. Example, you see the color changing the photo. The curve. See the color change. Okay, done. Okay, next one is the color. It contains temperature, tint, vibrance, saturation. Okay, and click the grading means color grading allows you to stylize your photo by adding color tints to the shadows, midtones, and the highlights. Okay, and click to into mark and see the shadow buttons. This is the shadow. Okay, the color will change. And next one is midtones, and next one is highlights, and next one is global. Okay, click to done button. And next one is mix. This is the color changing mode. If you want to change the color means click one and adjust. Click to adjust. I click the orange and adjust the button means hue, saturation, luminance. Click to see the color change. The mouse, the color changed into orange color. Okay, next one is effects. The effects is content, texture, clarity, hair, swingy, and midtones. There are a lot of option, highlights, grain size, roughness. There are a lot of option is there. The next one is the sharpness, details. There are a lot of option that only I recommend for photos editing in this app. And next one is optics. If you want means use it, or otherwise skip the part. And uh, after all are done, if you want to copy the setting means click the copy settings, means it will copied. Okay, click to click the settings copied. Okay, and the next one is save the photos. How to save? Okay, now click the share button. Okay, that's share button. Click the share button now. Share to or save to device. Share means otherwise save to device. It's take a few seconds. Okay, preparing it take a few moment. Is told this take a moment. Okay, so wait this page, don't go back. Okay, thank you friends. Like, comment, subscribe our channel, learn from tube.